Well, Chloe, that's a very good question. We use a device called the Universal Translator. It's like an alien dictionary with hundreds of languages programmed into it.
It's like a gravitational jigsaw puzzle.
It's like talking to Porthos.
It's like we're in the belly of the beast.
It's like steering an asteroid runner with a bad access coil.
It's like coming back to the house you grew up in.
It's like someone spiked the water supply. It's like I'm chief engineer on a steamship, coming aboard the first interplanetary transport.
It's like sending up a flare.
It's like something out of Alice in Wonderland.
It's like a dummy captain.
It's like a man who has been blind all of his life, suddenly being given sight.
It's like a jigsaw puzzle, all one color. It's like a pail of water on a fire.
It's like discovering Atlantis or Shangri-La.
It's like fire.
It's like working in a damn computer center.
It's like looking for a needle in a haystack.
It's like a game.
It's like an Eden here.
It's like a giant snowflake crystal, but much more complex.
It's like following a trail of breadcrumbs.
It's like a hole in space.
It's like looking into infinity, sir.
It's like a knock at the door.
It's like the eye of a hurricane.
It's like a terrible temper.
It's like candy to them.
It would be like an ant pushing a tricycle.
It's like a tide that never ebbs.
It's like they're your children.
It's like we're laboratory animals.
It's like he's in a coma.
It's like waking up from a nightmare and not remembering what it was about.
It's like we're victims of a 200-year-old joke.
It's like he's just some kid who's far away from home.
It's like finding out someone you love has a terminal illness.
It's like the first time you fall in love.
It's like a huge honeycomb with an infinite number of cells. It's like falling into a fast-moving river and being swept away by the current.
It's like pacing up and down on the same piece of carpet. Eventually you wear it out.
It's like trying to remember a dream.
It's like waking up from a nightmare.
Oh, it's like somebody's sticking an ice pick in my temples.
It's like the chicken and the egg. Will, the chicken and the egg.
It's like a predator.
It's like we're shooting blanks.
It's like talking to a Klingon.
Yeah, it's like talking to a stone.
It's like riding a bicycle.
It's like a rebirth.
It's like slipping into a hot tub at the end of a long day.
It's like stepping on ants.
It's like poker, but with pointed tips. It's like gambling.
It's like a junkyard in here.
It's like the Battle of Britain, only with swords.
It's like a sculpture, a monument to your year as a bachelor.
It's like you're chasing death off.
It's like being boiled alive.
It's like living in a drafting studio. It's like a Ligurian mastodon moving through the forest.
It's like having a view screen inside your brain.
It's like having the best of both worlds.
It's like we're in the middle of an optronic forest.
It's like walking through a graveyard.
It's like trying to move through a hall of mirrors.
It's like a reflection.
It's like working backwards through a maze of circuits.
It's like we sprung a leak, but I can't find the crack.
It's like this big black cloud.
It's like a knot.
It's like a ghost ship.
It's like a wake leading away from the debris field.
It's like peeling an onion.
It's like being hit with thousands of needles. It's like when you're a kid who's afraid of the water and you suddenly realize that you can swim.
It's like being becalmed in the middle of the ocean.
It's like some kind of electric eel.
It's like having three voices whispering in one ear.
And a crowd screaming in the other.
It's like a maze. It's like trying to rewrite a novel after the only copy of the data file's been deleted. It's like navigating an obstacle course.
It's like a tunnel through space.